Welcome to ECPC Chemistry. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to predict the product of aldol condensation 1 minute. Before that, let me explain what is aldol condensation. Aldehydes and ketone, at least having one alpha hydrogen, they will undergo the condensation reaction in the presence of a dilute bases like NaOH, Na2CO3 and barium hydroxide to form beta hydroxycarbonyl compound. This beta hydroxycarbonyl compounds are called as aldol. This aldol further on heating will produce alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound by losing water. Now let us predict the product of aldol condensation in 1 minute. So for that, here I am taking a simple aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, which has an alpha hydrogen. So what is alpha hydrogen? The carbon in which functional group attached is called as alpha carbon, and the hydrogen present on it is called as alpha hydrogen. So here two molecules of acetaldehyde is undergoing condensation. Instead of writing this, I am writing in a different way. C double bond O, H and CH3. This is one aldehyde plus another aldehyde, the alpha hydrogen. I am writing like this. CH3 I am splitting as H2CH, CH2. Right? So from here the water molecule is eliminating. Just eliminate your water molecule and connect both the carbon by double bond. That's all. This is your product. Double bond CH, CH2. Alpha, this is alpha, this is beta. So alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Very simple. Now let's move on to the second example. Here I am taking a ketone. Same way, I am just splitting this. C double bond O, CH3, CH3. I am writing in this way to predict the product in 1 minute. Plus, so this is my alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon, and the hydrogen attached to that is called as alpha hydrogen. I am just writing as H2CH, H2CH, C double bond O, CH3. Again, eliminate your water molecule and connect both the carbon by double bond. So you will be getting C double bond CH3, CH3, CH, C double bond O, CH3. So this is the product. So you can predict the product in just 1 minute. Very, very simple. Now let's see the third example. In this third example, you have, this is a cross aldol condensation. In the first two cases, we have taken a simple aldol condensation where two same aldehydes and ketone is undergoing condensation. Whereas in the third example, I am taking formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. So here you will get a confusion. Remember, I told you the one which is having an alpha hydrogen will undergo this condensation reaction. So your formaldehyde doesn't have an alpha carbon. What is alpha carbon? The functional group attached carbon, or the carbon adjacent to the functional group is called as alpha carbon. So in the formaldehyde there is no alpha hydrogen. So obviously the acetaldehyde, the hydrogen H2 will be removed from your acetaldehyde. Okay. So you can write it like this. C double bond O, H and a H plus this molecule, you have to write it like this. C double bond O, H, and remove the water molecule like this, children, and connect both the carbon by double bond. So you will be getting C double bond CH, C double bond O, H. I hope you understood this. Now I'm taking another example of cross aldol condensation where both the carbonyl compounds having alpha hydrogen. So what are the different possibilities? Here in this case we have four possible products 2 is self-aldol condensation, whereas acetone involving in self-aldol condensation and acetaldehyde involving self-aldol condensation. So here two self-condensed product will be formed, that I'm not going to write because already I've explained here first and second one, and two cross aldol condensation product, whereas first case acetaldehyde, the hydrogen is removing from the acetaldehyde and you're getting a product like this, C double bond CH, C double bond OH in the presence of a base and a heating. Right children, this is one of the crossed aldol condensation product, and the another one is the hydrogen is removing from acetone. So acetaldehyde I'm taking first, C double bond O, and acetone I'm just rewriting like this. Again remove your water molecule children and connect the carbon by double bond. Simple. CH3 and H. So these are the two cross aldol product, and two self condensation will also takes place, that I'm not going to write because I already explained here. Now let us solve this question which is asked in JEE Advanced 2015. So don't get panicked by seeing this big molecule. Just see the molecule and what are the reagent, KOH, water and heat. And this involves in intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Okay, so now again we will have some doubts because this molecule have different alpha hydrogen, right? This one is one alpha hydrogen, this is a functional group, next to that is your alpha carbon. So this is one alpha hydrogen and this is another alpha carbon. Okay, one alpha carbon and another alpha carbon. So the water molecule can eliminate like this. The water molecule can eliminate like this. Yes children, if it is eliminated like this, you will get a bond over here, and this will involved in 4-member ring. 1 2 3 4 4-member ring. Okay, and another possibility is this hydrogen can remove as a water, so that you will get a bond over here and here. Okay, that carbon and this the carbon which I mark in asterisk, you will get a bond, right? In such case, okay, you will be getting 1 2 3 4 5 6-member ring. Children, remember in chemistry the 5-member ring and 6-member ring are more stable because they have a less strain, angle strain. So the 6-member ring is more stable than your 4-member and 3-member ring. So they will always try to form a 6-member ring. Okay, so here the hydrogen, the 2 alpha hydrogen will be eliminated as a water like this children. Then connect this asterisk carbon and this carbon with a double bond. So this is our product. Okay, so here another 6-member ring you will be getting. Now see this carbon is having a CH3, so put a CH3, and adjacent to that you have a double bond O, and you have to connect it by a double bond. So option A is your answer. I hope you understood. I'm just connecting this carbon and this carbon with a double bond. Okay, just a double bond, right? I hope you understood. Just eliminate your water molecule from the alpha hydrogen. Okay, right. And this one is asked in your NEET 2017. Of the following, which product form when cyclohexanone is undergoing aldol condensation? So this is our cyclohexanone, children. Cyclohexanone. So when 2 moles of cyclohexanone is undergoing aldol condensation, dilute NaOH bar heat, what will be your product? So this is your alpha hydrogen. Okay, so remove your water molecule and predict your product. So kindly tell your product in the comment section. I hope now you can solve the questions of aldol condensation in 1 minute. We'll see on another video. Thank you.